guys, it's Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Just a quick video to let you know that right now you could get free 7-day trial on our SEO Monthly Package, which means 7-day free of charge of your website optimization, keyword research, images optimization, SEO analysis, checking for your broken links, obviously optimizing all of the content, but also analyzing the website if everything is working correctly to make sure that your site is fully crawlable and fully accessible by Google. And this SEO package improved sales and traffic by over 252% on average for our clients. And right now you can test drive it for 7 days free of charge. There's absolutely no cost. There's no hidden charges. There's no commitment because you can opt out at the end of your trial and you will not be charged. If you're still looking around for the perfect SEO monthly package, but not sure if the right one is for you, because obviously SEO is really important and needs to be done by someone experienced, by someone who has got proven results, just like I have been doing SEO since 2007 and helped a number of online businesses boost their free traffic and sales. And now you can test drive it for absolutely free for 7 days. So remember, don't miss it out. Click the link below to get started today. You can request your free 7-day SEO trial right now. Just click the link below.
If you loved this video, smash the like button now and subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. Also hit the bell to be notified every time I upload new video. Now watch these videos next, recommended for you here, to learn more about SEO and running successful online business. Bye bye!